Hi, good afternoon, Megha. How are you?
Hi, good afternoon, Praveen. I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So,
Okay.
how's your day? How is your day begin?
My day began well. I started my day with Clappingo sessions, so it's been interesting so far. What about you? How did you kickstart your day? So
Yeah,
in the cool weather, it becomes a little difficult to wake up, right? If the weather is all cool and
right.
it's raining.
Exactly.
Yeah, I get that. Yesterday
About about you.
it was raining yesterday. Okay, yesterday evening it rained a lot, but today the weather is fine. The weather seems to be warm, and it's
Okay,
pleasantly
okay.
warm, so I like it.
So, have you been taking classes since morning, or you just started?
No, weekends normally I take from 10 a.m. right, so I've been on it since 10 a.m.
But you are taking lots of classes. So, whenever I
Mhm.
want to choose your classes,
Okay.
I want to book your session. So,
Mhm.
you mostly time you so shown occupied. So there was no time available actually.
Okay, okay. So the thing is, I have regular classes also now on the weekdays. So what I do is in the morning I give 2 hours, and in the evening I
Okay.
give 2 hours. It's like that. So 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the late evening.
Okay.
So
Great.
that's
Great.
how I've opened.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So you take class until 10 in the evening.
It's normally like 7 to 8 in the evening, and then 10 to 11, like that.
Okay. Great. Great. But you are doing very hard work actually. So you are doing your office work and you are taking classes as well.
Yeah,
So
it's the
in
same, right?
so in which field you are uh, making yourself happy, or you feel good with your technical field, or in this field?
I'm happy to share with you that I have converted into a full-time English trainer. Actually, Praveen, I made that transition uh, a couple of months ago.
Okay, okay, great,
Yes,
great.
yes.
So
So
yeah,
even now, the normal classes that I take during the day, right? It is
okay,
for that IELTS coaching only. Like I am an English mentor there also.
okay, 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 great.
Yeah.
So
Do
you
do
are
you
following
remember?
your passion, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you remember the first time we interacted? I told you I'm pursuing a course, like a certification
Yes,
of 2 3
eyelids,
months to
right?
become a
Yes,
trainer.
yes,
Yeah,
right,
that
right.
got completed, and
I
now
remember
I'm
that.
working full time.
Yes, I vividly remember that conversation.
Yes, me too, me too.
Yes, great.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
And what are your plans for the weekend? Anything exciting?
So today evening I am going to pick up my sister. So she is
Okay,
coming to my home for Rakhi.
okay,
Yeah,
that's
and
nice.
maybe tomorrow we will go outside with my nephew and my niece.
That's so cute. So
Yeah,
good family, some good family time, na?
yeah, yeah. So Rakhi is always a good family time.
Yeah. So have you
Raksha
bought
Bandhan.
something really nice for your sister? Do you think she'll be happy looking at the Rakhi gift?
Maybe I'll purchase something today in the evening.
Okay. Your time is running, Praveen. You need to hurry up. It's tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So has she asked for anything in particular? Like, okay, I want this, I want that, or is it completely your choice?
No, they never. My both sister never asked anything particularly. So I'll purchase whatever I like. So most of the
Okay,
time I purchase sari and suit for them.
okay. That's nice, right? That's like if you present girls with, all these salwars and suits, they'll be happy for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So rest of the things they already have. So these are the only thing that they can utilize every time.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And is there any difference that you observe in the way you used to celebrate Rakhi when you were kids and now? Is there any difference or is it the same?
Yeah, time changes actually.
Mhm.
So when I was kid, I chooses my Rakhi. So my
Mhm.
the first one in my family is me who got
Okay.
selected the Rakhi. So
Okay.
my sister always show these Rakhis to me. You can
Okay.
select first. You can select first, then I will
Okay.
tie the Rakhi to someone, my brother and my cousin.
Wow. So special treatment for you, huh? First preference.
Yes,
Like you
yes,
choose the one first, then others will get whatever
yeah,
is left.
exactly.
Okay. So I believe you're very pampered kid.
Yeah, actually, I am a younger one, so
Mhm.
that's in that way I got pampered a lot actually.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much. What about you? You are also a youngest?
I am the only child actually. I don't have any siblings.
Okay,
Okay, I'm the
okay,
only
okay.
child, but I have a lot of cousins. Like I have so many brothers. So I have a lot of cousins. When we were kids, like most of them used to live in Bangalore when we were kids,
Mhm.
but now they're all in different parts of the world, right? So
Right, right.
now it is just via WhatsApp.
Yeah, it's
Wishing lucky.
both. And you say you sent Rakhi through courier and all?
Earlier I used to, okay. Earlier, like long ago, I used to, but now we've stopped. We just have a call. We just do a video call and
Okay,
we speak with
okay.
each other like that.
Great, great.
Rakhi has
Yeah,
also
so
become virtual.
right. So Rakhi is all about love. So brother and sister, there is no matter you are sending Rakhis and all, not it doesn't matter actually.
Yes, yes, it doesn't. So the
If
bond
we
is
have
more
a
important.
yeah, if we have a great bond, so there is no
Mhm.
need of Rakhi.
True, that's
Yeah,
correct. And imagine I gave you a time machine, okay? Suppose I gave you a time machine that
yeah,
can either take you into the future or it will take you into the past. Okay.
yeah. We already discussed on this topic.
Oh my God,
Previously.
have we?
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay, I don't know
we
why we're
both
getting the
select
same
we
Mhm.
both have selected we want to go in past only.
past. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. So is
because
there anything?
there's no use to know about our future. So we don't want to spoil our uh,
Yeah, change anything.
yeah.
Correct, correct, Praveen.
But
So, okay.
today's topic is also the same now. If you
Yes,
want to go in the future or you want to go in the past to know
past.
our ancestor and all.
Yes, whether you want to meet your ancestors or whether you want to, meet your grandchildren, great
Right, right.
grandchildren.
Yes, yes.
No problem. I'm okay skipping it. What about you?
No, no, but we can discuss on that. So, what is your take? What do you want to know? Like, you want to know your future. So, who is your grandson and all grandchild?
Yeah, I would love to know what they grow up to be. I'm so curious. I would love to know my family lineage. What are they going to be in, like, 50, 60, hundreds of years? That would be an awesome thing to witness. What
Okay,
about
okay.
you?
Yeah, it's a good thing actually. If I
Mhm.
could know who will be my grandson and grandchild.
Great grandchild also.
Yeah,
Anything.
yeah, and how they will treat us. I also want to know that how they will treat us. They will
Yeah.
treat us in a good way or bad manner. In
First of all, I think they're going to be shell shocked, okay? If we tell them, okay, I'm your great 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 grandmother, I think they're going to just slam the door on our face, like, okay, there's some crazy person outside claiming to be my great grandmother. I think that could be a possibility.
maybe they will think like we are gone mad. How can we
Absolutely.
grant?
If there's like some crazy person on my door, they might call 911. You never know.
Exactly.
Yeah. So just imagine, okay, someone knocks on your door, okay, someone knocks on your door, and you see this very old lady, and she claims to be your great great grandmother. How will you react?
Yeah.
What will your first reaction be? I'm curious to know that.
Yeah. So if I came to know in the current situation, so we will not become old now. We will remain same
Mhm.
whatever we.
Yeah, yeah. Imagine like your great great grandmother, she has gotten a time machine, okay, and she is visiting the
Okay,
future.
okay,
Okay,
okay, okay.
how will you react? You are in the future. She has come to meet you.
I think
Okay.
we will not believe her.
Yeah, true, true,
So
true.
maybe someone is making us fool, and it's not April fool, but I also say is making us
Yeah,
fool.
general fool, not April Fool.
Exactly.
Yeah, Praveen.
But
Because
but
we
it
know,
would be fun.
yeah, it would be very exciting for sure.
Yeah.
It would be like a comedy.
Exactly.
Yes, because we know, right? We've seen our grandparents, our great grandparents. Very rarely do people have photos of their, great grandparents or
Yes.
other ancestors. It's very rare.
Actually, I meet, what can I say? I met only with my grandfather.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't met with my grandmother. So
Okay, okay.
she had passed away
Mhm.
before my birth
Before
actually.
you were born, is it?
Yeah, before I born.
Okay. What about your
So
grandfather? You have some fond memories?
yeah, I was 3 or 4 year old when he passed away. But yeah, I
Oh.
spent 2 3 years with him.
Okay, okay. So I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure you might not remember everything in detail,
not
right? Because you were
yes,
very
not
young.
remember vividly, but yeah, but
Mhm.
just remember he used to walk with their stick and
With a
one
stick.
yeah, small bucket in their hand, in
Mhm.
his hand.
Okay.
But, I vividly remember only these two things.
Okay, okay. So that's like the striking memory you have, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's sweet. And what kind of a legacy do you want to leave behind for your children?
In which manner?
Any manner, legacy as in terms of value or a kind of lifestyle you want to give them. What kind of a legacy in general?
I think I want to give everything they want to desire.
Yeah,
Uh,
they desire,
I
not they want to
they
desire. They
desire,
desire. Yeah.
they desire. Yeah.
Mhm.
So maybe like in my childhood, I compromised in lots of things. So I
Okay.
don't want they also compromise. Don't want let them compromise on anything actually.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So great. That's a good thought. You want to give them
Yeah.
everything, right? Whatever you missed out on, you
Exactly.
want to make sure that they get all of it.
Exactly.
Lovely. That's so sweet.
And I am doing the same thing with my nephew as well.
Hmm?
So he's in fourth standard.
Oh,
So yeah, so whatever he want, he never asked with my brother. He always
okay.
asked to me, Chachu, I want this, and he
Uh-huh.
never went for shopping with his father. He always went
Okay.
for shopping with me.
Okay. Always with this statue.
Yeah, because he said my father compromised with my desires. So if I choose something, he said,
Mhm.
no, no, it is not good. You should buy
Yes.
this. And whenever I go with him,
Mhm.
so
Mhm.
whatever he choose, I buy for him actually.
Awesome. So you're
It
spoiling them, huh? Spoiling them, giving them everything that they want.
exactly. It doesn't matter it is costly or not, but
Okay.
I I don't think we should make him compromise on anything actually.
Okay. Okay. They're very lucky. I must say, your niece and nephew are very lucky.
Thank you. Yeah,
Okay.
but
That's
I
mhm.
always make him happy.
Great. So these are the things they're going to remember. Okay. You're going to be their favorite chachu.
Yeah,
You're going to be the most favorite member of the family for them.
exactly. So like
Okay. Mhm.
they live in Agra and I live in Noida. So
Mhm.
they make a call on every Friday.
Okay.
So they know I am about to come in Saturday or Sunday.
Mhm.
So
Come
they
on. Come on a
come
Saturday or
on
Sunday.
come on Saturday and Sunday. So they
Mhm.
make their list and send me on WhatsApp. Chachu, these are my list for this week.
This week.
Yeah,
And you go with a bag full of presents.
exactly.
Okay. So you're their very own Santa Claus. I can say that. Brings them all goodies and stuff like that. Huh?
Yes, yes.
So sweet, Praveen. That's so nice to know. And yes, can I quickly? I've noted a couple of things. Can I give you my feedback? Just one or
Yeah,
two
yeah.
things.
Please, please, please,
Okay.
please.
You said didn't met, right? So there is one thing here. Whenever you start anything with didn't, na, so did
Okay.
itself is the past tense of do. The following verb will be in the base form, like didn't meet, didn't eat.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So that is how it's going to be. And you said my both sisters. It's not my both sisters. You can say both my sisters. So the
Okay,
words
both my
got
sisters.
slightly, yeah, words got
Okay,
jumbled there.
okay,
Both my
okay,
sisters.
both my sisters.
Yeah, and finally, the past tense of choose is chose, chose. You can't say that I
Chose.
choose or I chooses, not like that. I chose, they
Okay,
chose.
chose. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
choose, chose,
So
chosen.
I have chosen. Perfect. Yes. Choose,
Yes.
chose, chosen. Perfect. Awesome. So you know
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
That is it, Praveen. That's my only feedback. And so I'm pretty sure you're waiting for tomorrow, is it? Like for the festival.
Exactly. Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So you guys prepare any, do they prepare any of your favorite desserts or dishes on this occasion?
Actually, in Agra, so
Mhm.
there is only one dish that need to be prepared in every house. So it's a
Okay.
ghevar.
Khevar, I know. Okay.
You know that?
I've had it
Yeah.
in
So
Bangalore.
okay, and one more thing, we make sevai. You
Sevai,
know
yes.
sevai?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Those
So
are like,
these two things is compulsory in every home in Agra at the occasion of
okay.
Raksha Bandhan.
Wow. Just the thought of it is making me happy. It's making my mouth water. So I'm sure you'll have a great time.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Here also, okay, even here in Karnataka also, ghevar is not very common. I've had it from some
Hmm.
bakery, but I've not had the authentic stuff. Okay,
I think Ghevar
this
is only about UP and all, I think.
we get it nearby, near my apartment, right? A guy makes these
Hmm.
ghevar. It's like circle circle thing. It's a little
Exactly, exactly. Yes,
crispy.
yes, yes. Yes,
Correct,
yes,
na?
yes.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the one. And this sevai that you mentioned here, we call it shavige. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay,
shavige. Here also, if there is any festival or any occasion, they make the paisam from that sweet.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So some common
Great.
elements, na, in different cultures. There are some
Yes,
things that are
yes,
common.
yes. They use in different festival and we use in different festivals, but
Yes,
the things are same.
yes, absolutely. So okay, nice, nice talking to you today.
Yeah,
Have a
yeah.
great weekend.
Exactly.
Have fun with your family.
Yes, yes. You can
Okay.
also have fun at your end.
Online.
But yeah, online and virtually, you can celebrate virtually Raksha
Yes.
Bandhan.
Yes, yes, I will. I will. Okay,
Okay,
okay, then
okay.
Praveen,
Bye
our
bye,
session
bye
will get
bye.
disconnected. Take care. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye bye, bye bye.